All right, this one's going to be a 2017 Volvo VNL D13. You're going to be replacing all the filters. Again, most people probably already know how to do this, but the slim chance that somebody doesn't, it's going to be a walkthrough. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 T25 Torx bits that go on there. You're going to remove that panel and pull the old T25 Torx head bit. You don't have to run them all the way out. You don't have to run them all the way out. Sometimes it just pulls them out there anyway. Probably help if I get this last bottom one out here. Being a little stubborn. And I'll show you whenever we put it back on. Just obviously have to look at the arrows. The way it's pointing, you'll find the individual mounts that are up there for them as well. As you can see, it's pretty dirty. You probably blow out most of it, but really no sense taking that risk. Alright, so with the cover, you can see up top here. I can hold the camera and do it at the same time. It'll mount back up. You want to make sure that that's right, or you're going to have problems trying to get it to align. I usually start with this top one, kind of run it in there. Gotta go dig that out real fast. Alright, so right above the breather, air filter that you just did. You're gonna have this one. And it's just 2 clips. This one and this one. Sometimes they're a little pain. Just pry them back. Pop this cover. There's a little lip here on these models. Pull that back. I mean, you're gonna replace it anyway. And then take your new one. Make sure that you line it up correctly. On these, it automatically just has it on there, airflow. But you're gonna see this plastic lip. The easiest way to remember though is these tabs, have them open. If I can find a place to set the camera. So that's back in there. I'm going to take that plastic lip that's inside the cover itself, create that seal. Once it's seated, one side will usually go on. Sometimes you do have to use a screwdriver for this other side, but we got lucky. One thing I was going to mention that I had forgot was here. If you want, you hold that down and tap it, and it'll reset your gauge there. And the last one that we have to replace is going to be the one that's inside the sleeper. And again, all these are brand new. So I'll start back in there. Alright, so you have to excuse those lovely decorative sheets there. But the last one is going to be in here, underneath the sleeper. If you can see this vent here, it's going to be a filter on the opposite side. It's usually a pretty good telltale sign if any of y'all obviously own a company, of how clean your drivers are taking care of your stuff, or how well the driver's taking care of your stuff. Because a lot of times what we see is it'll get real quick vacuumed before they get in, and they'll think, oh, we'll be good. Well, then you come in here to check this filter, and it's disgusting. So hopefully you can see that. Alright, so this is where that filter is going to be. Just pull it out, and as you can see, that's pretty nasty. Not the nastiest one by far that's ever came back in through here, but it's pretty dirty. Especially when they put it on recirculate, it brings all that stuff that's inside of the cab back in here. So just fit it back. Load everything, and that's it. That's how you change the filters.